come every day, and they would study Torah and dance the Torah and pray 3 times a day. But to the north, there was a king, a wicked king, and his name was Antiochus. And Antiochus wanted that beautiful temple for himself. So he got his huge army, and all his soldiers had helmets and shields and spears and swords and bows and arrows and horses and elephants. And they came down into Jerusalem, and they took over that temple and told all the children to go home. And then the soldiers went in and made a terrible mess of all the beautiful things in the temple. And the children were so sad. And the mommies and daddies said, "Why are you sad?" And the children said, "No, no, 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 you cannot do this. No, 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 you cannot do that. You may not study Torah, you may not dance the Torah, and you may not pray and eat 3 times a day, 'cause he said, no, 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 Well, they all went back into the temple, but it was pitch black. So how were they going to clean it up? They had to find some oil that was pure and good. And one little child found a little jar of oil, and they put it in the lamp. But that would only last 1 day. And how many days did it have to last? 8 days. 8 days and nights. And so they sang to this beautiful little lamp, "Shine, shine, little lamp, shine." Miracles, that little lamp shined for 8 days and 8 nights, and they cleaned up the temple and brought all the beautiful things back. And then they went in and had a big Hanukkah party. And Judah Maccabee said, "Would you children like to play with dreidels?" And he tossed them all some wet clay. And they took the wet clay and they made them into little dreidels. I have a little dreidel, I made it out
go. No. That's not yours.
How do you put the light on in
I
here?
got it right over here. Here we go. This is Zach's. Afterwards, come on.
Okay. You know what he could do, Spongy?
Zachary, what do you have, honey?
You got your new bike?
Out of the way.
You have a new motorcycle?
Huh? Let's bring it in the other room, and we'll put the motor in it. The battery, all right? Stay on it.
The battery
Stay on it.
up on.
Get on it. Get on, Zach. All right. You ready? Let's go. Get a battery.
Wait, I'm gonna sit right next there.
You ready? Should I put the battery in it?
Zachary. Zachary. Zach.
3 or 4 hours. Oh, it does? All right.
And they found themselves being helped by a neighbor they hardly knew. So this unbelievable display
Do you love it?
I'm not that.
an
Dad,
extreme
I
but
go
very
fast
heartfelt
like that.
thank
That
you
must be how you how close, how you push that button, but I was gonna go
That
get
thing is
that
3 times the size of Zachary.
Not real.
Gave us one gift.
Or is it the
On the
pedal?
table that was
Maybe it's the pedal, Andrew.
Zachary, do you love it? Do you love it?
you have to.
Andrew can open his
Another
house.
present to me.
Watch my floors, they're all taps.
What, tax what? Oh, from the,
Go ahead, open it up.
In case I don't tell you.
I do it in my house all the time, I go across
Zachary, keep
tile
going.
in the rug.
Yeah, that's
the
what it
staples
is.
are sticking out, and I go,
What is it?
All us proud egotistical.
What's inside?
I know, it's just a module.
That's what, you know what? I'm still like a little bit, when I punch it, that means I love.
yeah. You know you need a garage. That was kindergarten.
Joey keeps saying if we could afford to buy your house, we would. We need a garage.
You need a garage just for this toys.
I said to her the other day, I said, I gotta go look for another shed.
What?
I need another shed.
You need a bigger house now.
For the tools and some of the other
Show him the picture on the front. Does he know what it is?
Yeah.
Need a bigger house.
I can't believe that was Doc that killed that guy.
The kid?
That's Roka.
I see him. You gotta go pee-pee? You gotta go pee-pee? What was that?
Daddy, I think he did come. You guys, I think
Oh.
Santa came.
Oh, B, go. B, go.
Oh my goodness.
Santa
Did
brought
he
your
bring
tree.
choo-choo trains? Did he bring new choo-choo trains? No touching, Zachary.
Of course he can touch it. It's his Christmas present.
Hold on. Let's put them on.
Wait, Andrew, it's for both of you. You gotta
Andrew,
share.
let go.
Wait, let go. Let's see what happens.
Andrew, watch this. The controls are right over here.